Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the War Theater for tonight's Headliner Showtime. And now, please welcome to the stage your host, your cruise director, it's Mark.
Hi, oh yes. Well, here we are. Good evening, everybody. Welcome back to the Aurora Theatre here. And did you have, I'm going to be cheesy, I'm going to ask the question, did you have a perfect day at Coco K? Yeah! Fantastic. Nice place, right? You had some fun? Yeah, good. So now we're moving very slowly, because it's not that far, to get to our next destination, which is Bimini. I've said about a thousand different ways saying it. Bimini. I said bikini once, that's not right, is it? Something like that. Anyway, it's going to be a beautiful day tomorrow. Arriving approximately 8 o'clock in the morning. It's a nice place if you want to go out and have a stroll around. There's so many nice beaches though, if you're into beaches. Really enjoyable place, so have fun tomorrow. Anyway, great show for you right now. The orchestra are waiting behind the curtain, some fantastic music from them. And you're going to meet Daniel and Naja tonight from our production cast, performing a selection of their favourite songs, and it is a really, really good show. Everybody, please do sit back and enjoy. You'll meet Daniel very shortly, but first, take a look up here and please welcome Naja.
Sad for him. Clearly, I'm all right, right? So let me reintroduce you to myself again. Hi, everybody. How's it going? Hi, my name is Naja. I'm one of the featured singers here aboard Radiance of the Seas. I am 25 years old, and I am most recently single. Single, thriving, doing all of the things. I get to travel for a living, which is wonderful. Any other singles out here? Okay, I see you. 2, 3 of us. We're doing all right, yeah? I want to celebrate us for a moment. You guys want to help? Okay, so I'm going to have a little call and response. So I'm going to sing a line. And when I sing the line, I want you to sing it back to me. Sounds good? All right, drums, you going to help me out?
Good evening, my name is Daniel, and my portion of this concert is all dedicated to time. I think that time is the most valuable commodity that humans have to share. You can take it, you can get it back, but once it's there, once it passes, it's gone. That's why we spend spend time with the ones that we love. That's why we go on vacations. Because time is so, so valuable. Because we know that you can just never really stop the clock. Take time out. Time to regroup before you lose the plot. Please not parade. Back it up. Time to refocus. Gonna wrap it up. Years are getting shorter. Lines in your face are getting longer. Feel like nothing else matters. Feel like time getting stronger. Somebody waiting on you. I'm sitting by, waiting on you to come through. I'm sitting by on nothing new, wondering why does this one hurt so bad? I'm wondering why no subtle glance, no second chance. No time for lovers to learn to dance. And I'll do anything to fall in love with you. And I'll do anything to make like it wasn't true. Make like I never knew. Take a pill, take a spell, easy and live day by day. Thank you. I hope that song puts you in a nice vacation state of mind. Now for the last two songs, we're going to go to the artist that I feel always suspends me and lifts me up. Sometimes I'm listening to his music, I feel like I'm floating, and I wanted to share that feeling of suspended time with you all. And that is obviously Sir Elton John. For Elton John, we're going to put on some Elton John glasses. But you know what? It just doesn't feel complete with just the glasses. We're going to have to put on a couple of these for you guys. If you know any of these songs, please sing along. It's beautiful. Harmonies and everything. So this last song is a song that just appreciates right now. I think it's really, really cool when a large group of people get together in a space like this, because it's kind of, I don't know, it's kind of magic, especially if we get to play music and sing along with each other. We're all here now. We made it here. We're still standing, and that's pretty cool. So this is I'm Still Standing. A 1, a 2, a 1, 2, 3, 4.
All right, day 5 here on Radiance of the Seas, done, over, and complete. Awesome day at Coco Cay. Came back on the ship, relaxed a little bit, went to the production show tonight. It had 2 of the cast members up there singing some of their favorite songs, so that was awesome. But it is starting to get late. I am getting tired. Tomorrow we are going to Bimini. That's going to be interesting. I've never been there. We're just going to kind of figure it out as we go. But said that's going to be it for today. So I hope you have enjoyed today's video. If you have, do me a favor and hit that like button. If you haven't done so yet, do me a favor and hit subscribe. It is free to do so. Helps our channel grow. Let you know anytime we put out a new video. Hope everyone out there is having a really great day. And like always, we will see you out on the high seas.